Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your test scores with Kaplan step by step clearly. Visit the Kaplan website to explore their test preparation resources. Identify the specific test you need help with, such as the SAT, ACT, GRE, or GMAT. Sign up for a free account to access trial materials and resources. Take advantage of the diagnostic test to assess your current knowledge and skills. Review your diagnostic test results to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Choose a study plan that fits your schedule and learning style. Consider enrolling in a live or on-demand class for structured guidance and expert support. Utilize Kaplan's extensive online resources, including practice questions and video tutorials. Incorporate the use of flashcards for key concepts and vocabulary pertinent to your test. Practice with full-length, timed practice tests to simulate the actual test environment. Review your performance on practice tests to track your progress over time. Focus on areas needing improvement by revisiting relevant study materials. Join online study groups or forums within Kaplan's community for collaborative learning. Keep a consistent study schedule to maintain momentum. Utilize Kaplan's mobile app for on-the-go study breaks and quick revision. Stay motivated by setting realistic goals and celebrating small achievements along the way. Remember to reach out to Kaplan's support for additional resources or questions. Implement relaxation techniques before test day to reduce anxiety. On test day, arrive early to ensure a calm start and review your test-taking strategies. After the test, analyze your performance to identify areas for future improvement. Continue to use Kaplan resources for ongoing learning and future tests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.